Thank you, Jesus Christ.
I'm going to give them to George.
Block him then, our little friend. Why the fuck she block him? Our little friend.
Me block him. You see the night of the accident,
No,
I end up
but
blocking him.
them a move like say you should have been block him. You don't have to block somebody if you explain to them say you don't want them. You don't have to be like that. We can be cool.
Look how much time I tell him say me don't want him.
What do you know? What on there?
Like this shit don't make no sense.
But she didn't never have no issue until the car crash. She didn't never have no issue.
On TikTok, which
Nah, it's just my blood clot.
And Ziggy did. And when she come to Jamaica, me I know that. But when I go pick her up, me I know that.
Take the blood clot woman, why you know who the woman are going to dig out her hole with?
Me say, when him sister me and Ziggy come out, the boy takes my phone right away. I'm saying, wow, you want Ziggy? I said, boy, just leave me alone.
A papers in my look. Foreign. Nobody watch you.
Ziggy and Madim.
I Claude Barbie.
You're not a Jamaican Barbie, it's a Jamaican crosses.
And I got to crosses.
Somebody do me a favor. Anybody know him? Anybody know him? Tell me which part he live. Anybody know him? DM me, please. Link me in on my DM. No!
Yeah, Tori. Because she come from blood clot Jamaica, she don't know nobody. When you come like say, you know blood clot, no. When I go like them,
show you crosses.
You know, me not like with them little fuck out here. I mean for style, no, because me's a girl's girl.
Why?
Me
I'm
hate
gonna show
when
you
woman
crosses.
go like say, you never friends with a blood clot man. Yet. Wanna stop it.
I'm gonna show you crosses, boy. Waterhouse. More exact.
I'm not gonna like when you never friends with one man yet.
More exact.
Sometimes man like where we don't like them, we friends with them, we par with them. We don't want them.
Wanna DM me. DM me the info. No. Let me tell you. This boy did not do so much to the pint.
Bobby, that he
Look here now.
No, making get to this. So that's what he wants.
This boy, I go to the pint where he might try get me for talk to him whole family.
Yeah,
me tell you, say, me no want you. You want me to talk to sister? You want me to talk to uncle? No! For what? Why
them
am I
go like
your
say
family?
them something, but Bobby don't pay him no mind. That's why he want you to step on the live. And then he might go and like say, you might come out to the next video now and say I try to do
that is it.
Yeah, true.
That is it.